Taking an early short here on MXIM. Got some news coming out in about 6 minutes time, so got to be very careful here. This is only a quick scalp looking to get out of this before that news hits, because you never know which way it's going to go. Right, drop down 11 cents there. What are you going to get out of now? With the spread, that would be 10 cents. I'm going to cover that off. There we go, cover that off. Just for a quick $100 in the bank, little banker there, as I say, early trade. News coming out in about 40 seconds now, so no one ever knows which way it's going to go. Right, just have a look here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to have to close this right up so you can see here. This is PLMD. Big gap up this morning. And been just having a lot of sideways action since then. But it's looking like it's making a little bit of a move upwards. Looking to potentially take a long on here. Alright, long there for 1,000 shares from 51.67 on PL. Right, just taking a short here on WINN. Short 1,000 there, 23.92. This was a nice old pattern here. You see that had a big old open down, didn't it? Big old gap down there this morning. And since then, made a classic triangle pattern there. Back on WINN, looking to cover off of this position here. It had a nice old drop down. Seems to be getting a bit stuck around here. A little bit concerned. Want to try and take half off. Alright, taking half off there. Got a fill at 23.57 on that, which gave us a little $175 in the bank, and you know my style by now. It means I can let the stop loosen off the stop a bit on that, let that one run. And I do think it is still going to go down further, but as I say, it's been having some trouble around this area. A lot of trades going through this area, so just nice to get a little bit in the bank there. This is Apple. Difficult one to trade this. Very volatile. A lot of volume. However, I'm going short here at 130.97, as I do believe we have got some more downside to here. Apple here. Back with Apple. Looking to cover off here as I've had a retracement, coming back down again. Like to get half off while it's actually dropping if I can. Taking half off there, got filled 130.50, which sticks $235 in the bank, takes a little bit of the pressure. Alright, back on Win is still short 500, so this has been going down quite nicely. We're still well contained within the EMA. May well drop off a bit further, but it's now gone 11 o'clock. Volume has all but dried up on this stock really. Spreads opened up a little bit, which is a sign of lack of volume, lack of direction. So now looking just to take the last half of this off at a reasonable price. Alright, got out there at 23.12 for the other half of that, which was $400 on the second half of that one there. Alright, back with Apple here. Had a good old run down, bit of a bounce back up to EMA. It's getting on for midday now, nearly quarter to midday, so looking to get out round about the old number if I can. Still short 500. Okay, got out there at 128.96 on the second half. Alright, last little one here is PLMD. It's not really done a lot, has it? It's been the old slow burner of the afternoon, this one, so we're just going to close that out there. Closed out at 68, so 1 cent profit on that, which pays the commission, doesn't it? So out flat on that. Alright, so your summary for your first one was MXIM, that early trade just a couple of minutes before the news came out, took a quick $100 on that. Then Win took 175 on the first half of there, Apple 235 on the first half, got out a win, second half for 400, and the second half of Apple for just over £1,000, $1,005, and then that little $10 there on PLMD, just enough to pay the commission on that. So the old slow burner there. Funny old day, really. Bit disappointing, all in all. In relative to the last few weeks, been very slow. Could have made a little bit more. Still having some trouble with this e-signal in terms of order entry. It's not what I use normally when trading live, but it just happens to fit nicer in the video window, so it's easier from a video point of view. But it is proving to be pretty unreliable in terms of order execution. So could have done a little bit better there, but not too bad. Comes out a total of 1,925 on the day, just under 2,000 on the day. So reasonable, but as I say, a slower day. But there we go. Can't have mega days every day, can we? Anyway, there we go. Hope it's been useful to you. Thanks to everyone who's been rating the videos on YouTube. Very useful. It's good to get your feedback and find out how we're doing with these videos. Anyway, see you again in another video soon. Good trading to you.